sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect little girl. But Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction, Chemical X.
Welcome Squad, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Feel free to check out the channel. I'm sure you like content that you enjoy, and if you feel like it, just hit the subscribe button down below and also become a part of the squad. Be a squaddie. In this video, I'll be recreating Bubbles from Powerpuff Girls. I recently did Buttercup, so if you happen to just stumble across this video and haven't seen that, I'll link it in the card section. Let's jump right in. I'm just gonna pull you guys in. I think that's close enough. Okay. This is me just deep diving into my creativity. I'm going to do something that I haven't tried before. Cannot let my lips be dry in this video. Okay, I should have started this video from a long time. Oop, got a message, not gonna see that. By the way, I am prepping my skin with the NYX Professional Bear With Me makeup primer. I've just been using it in every single makeup video I've done so far. Absolutely love this, and I feel like I say this all the time, but you never know who's new coming into the channel, you see me. So as always, every product that I've used in this video will be linked in the description box. So because of my mood, I'm probably going to rant a little bit, even though I'm trying to escape it, but like after I'm finished and get stuff on my chest, I'll be fine. You guys don't really care about my eyebrows that much, so I can talk. Okay, I saw somebody repost something about like graduating students from university mimicking George Floyd's death, and I'm just going to say this one time and then move it on because I just need to get it off my chest. They said that the students were mimicking George Floyd's death with the whole I can't breathe thing, but all it's there is this girl is standing up in this girl's chest and the other girl on the below was saying I can't breathe, and I don't see how in that context they were mimicking George Floyd. Like, this could have been a video from like years ago, you get my sense? So they were going like, oh, report them, call the school, something to get these kids expelled or chastised or something, and there's no context to it. So you're going around not knowing what is really happening in the video and chastising people for what happened in the video, for all you know is not anything that was recent. That kind of just like kind of pissed me off, because you're basically doing the same thing that they're doing to us when they wrongly accuse a black man of murder just because in walk out a store that was close to the store that somebody else got murdered. That's my point I'm trying to make. Anyways, moving on. That's my work computer and it's closed. Work is haunting me. You know, I was just trying to be fancy and trying to like outline the eyebrows so I didn't have to go back in with a concealer. But regardless, I might have to. You know what? I'm pretty sure I took this out. One of my eyebrows is always thicker than the other one. Can't get the makeup for the life of me. This is kind of broken. It just literally sits on top now. It fell and broke, but this is the Total Coverage Concealing Foundation from Black Opal. I'm just gonna use that to outline my brows. I'm using an angled brush, a little too big for my liking, but the other one I'm saving for what I want to do for my eyes. This takes utmost silence when doing this because you don't want no mistake, fam. None. Okay, we done. Next up, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Essence Eye Stage Eyeshadow Base. This is something I just picked up randomly some years ago when I was just getting into makeup, and most of the stuff that I'm actually using are drugstore makeup products. Honestly, I'm doing something I've never tried before, and I'm hoping it comes out well because I literally left my house to get this one thing to try, so it better work. It better work. Okay, let's get into using the BH Cosmetics, not BH Cosmetics, Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette. This is the palette I'm using for every single one of my looks. Now we're working with the blue. This is more, is this shimmer or matte? This is more of a shimmer, and this is a shimmer, and this is a matte. I'm gonna use this color but I wanted a light blue color. So hold on, let me just swatch these. These are the blue that I swatched. I'm gonna use this in my crease as a transition shade and this as the eyelid shade. Bear with me, I don't know how well this one is going to actually turn out. I'm hoping it comes out decent. I am a little bit angry right now. Is that the camera cut off? I didn't get anything that I did to get this. So here's what's gonna happen. I am going to wipe this off because I'm dedicated for this to come out perfect. I'm a little bit salty. I'm so mad. I'm kidding, I'm not. I'm enjoying myself. But that's such a bummer. And this is the reason why I always do eyeshadow before I do my foundation. My eyebrows are still intact, and that's the good thing. And that's Beauty Gorgeous Me palette. And dabbing in this blue and put it in my crease and sweep it over in the rainbow. This is me holding my composure. So what I'm doing, I'm focusing in the crease and I'm just going to flare it out a bit like so. And that's what I'm doing, and I'm just going to build up. What I really like about the Beauty Gorgeous Me palette is that the eyeshadows are so pigmented and it was for a cheap price. And for somebody who is just getting into makeup and just experimenting with hello? Everybody on NY.com, you know. What was I saying? Beauty palette eyeshadows are very pigmented and very cheap. So if you're getting into makeup and don't want to spend an arm and a leg and a couple fingers just to get one of those high brand makeup palettes, you can try Beauty Glaze. Next, I'm going with this darker blue and I'm going to tap that onto my lid just to make it a little bit more dark to the center. And I don't feel like it's even that dark, you know. Can you guys tell the difference? This is me just trying to create a look. I envision something in my mind and I'm just doing what I think is going to give me the results that I envisioned. It's a greenish type of blue color, but I'm gonna tap into this. Continue tapping that all over the lid because I like the lighter look there. I'm just looking to make sure I'm actually still recording because I don't want what to happen to me happen again. Okay, pause for a mini vlog. Hi, it's V-Scam. So I am at Walmart right now. I just took off like a deep conditioner. This is the new Shea Moisture deep conditioner thingy. And then now I'm gonna actually go on the hunt for the concealer that I'm looking for. Maybe e.l.f. is in a different section. Oh, here we go. This one, take this off for me. This white one right here, the white one.
Here.
e.l.f. white.
Oh.
So this is the one I want. It's for $6.97. I thought I wasn't gonna get it, but I got it. Okay, let's go. Because of my idea and I want to try, I went to Walmart and picked up a e.l.f. Camo Concealer Corrector, and I'm gonna use this to create a white wing liner and filling that in with yellow. Bubbles also had yellow hair and stuff like that. So I have my pointed angle brush and I'm just going to take this, the tip with the product and try to do a white wing eyeliner. Oh no, I blinked and it went up the top. No. Pro tip, do not look up once you put this on. It's gonna way up more than what this did. As you can see, this goes like ooh. You know how that this Egyptian eye, but this goes like woo. But I'm really gonna see if I can correct it. And this is the thing, when I try to do makeup videos, I want it to be authentic. I don't want to be like, you know, mistake free, because this happens to people who are just getting into makeup. Between these two, to go over in the white eyeliner, make it a little bit pigmented, I'm just going to wet my brush, going in that matte yellow shade. I'm just going to try to stick it on top of the white and this might take a lot of building up. Next time I try something like this, I'll try mixing the white concealer with a little bit of the eyeshadow before I apply it, because I think the problem is that this concealer dried really fast. Okay, I think I got the yellow that I'm looking for. You think you like it so far? The hesitation. Guys, my husband don't like it.
I didn't say I don't like it. It's new.
It definitely is new. It definitely is new, babe.
I don't say I don't like it.
You don't say you like it either. You're like, I never say I don't like it, but you don't say you like it either.
Because it's not finished, babe.
Oh.
So I don't want to give a verdict and it's not finished.
Alright, so I'll give you a pass.
To be honest, when you answered the phone, I was like, what the hell?
That's alright. Okay, babe. Anyways, I got this iMagic Pro Cosmetics Beauty glitter palette like years ago. I've never used it. I'm just going to try to not use glue. I'm going to wet my brush, the eyeshadow gel, and dip it into this and just dab it over so it has a little bit of glitter. It works. I don't know, I just decided to put the glitter. I wanted the shimmer to come up, but as you know, the payoff wasn't good. I just grabbed this by, you know, default. Sometimes you just have to make what you have work. That's what this is about. And you're probably wondering why I'm using the glitter. It's because, I don't know, Bubbles is girly, and every time I see Bubbles, I just feel like she's a glittery, happy person. So glitter, no glitter. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Conceal Contour palette. I'm gonna go with this darker shade here, and just on the outer parts of the inner corner of my eye, I'm just going to sweep it to clean it up. Coat my eyelashes with this. I'm about to apply my regular eyelashes. Battery's not dying. Okay. So I put the lashes on. I don't know if I'm very proud of this look. I just don't think I am. I'm not going to lie to myself though, because I think I did a really good job. But you know what? It's just me being my creative self, and I'm still going to continue. I feel like I went through a lot of crap just to do that. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me Color 355 Coconut and my blush. As you can see, guys, I'm cleaning my brushes. So that's a step up from what it used to be once upon a time, where I just like was lazy and didn't clean my brushes as often. Oh, there's so much glitter under my eyes. It's fine. I would have probably put glitter all over my face regardless. It's Bubbles. That's how I got the dramatic eye. It's not really equal, but close enough. Going in with my Tan Age Rewind. Tap tap. But I realize if I don't use a lot, it's not too bright, which is how I like it, because I don't like anything that looks just too much. Having my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush here and just like tap it in, get rid of the excess, and just like swoop that under. And with this brush here, and I'm taking the Clean Color Tanned Raw Shimmer Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my face, literally just going around the places where my contour was, just to warm up my face. Get me all glowy. So finally, take that same blue fluffy brush and just color under my eye there. Oh, you have no idea how sometimes that scares me, because I feel like my eye just instantly start running water even though nothing not touching my eyeball. I'm literally going to dip into this same golden shimmer yellow and just like dab that into my inner corner for that pop of inner corner in light, you know, according to the gurus. Print your eye like this and just dab it in the corner. And there we go. And that's it for the eye makeup look. Now, Don't look at my armpits. I wanted to do something with my hair. I'm still in a very old wash and go that it's pretty much time to redo. I have my handy dandy aloe vera juice. Had to get a new bottle because it stopped working, but I'm just going to spritz like in the middle because I'm parting my hair in two. I'm just parting it like that, nothing fancy, and back there probably look scary. My hair is extremely dry. I can't wait to wash it tomorrow. Taking a piece of hair, I'm just going to just lightly twist that. Just brush this up together. So I'm not gonna actually leave this out. I'm just going to include it in this and try to push the puff to where I want it. I don't know where the other hair tie went. You know, they were both here just now. They were both here just now. I'm stupid. I used it in this one. Okay, I'm gonna do the next one. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. Do my edges real quick. Wait, I'm not done yet. I have these beads, these blue ones, that I can put on my hair. Lastly, because I feel like I should have like a light pinkish color on my lips, I'm gonna use one of these colors in the BH Cosmetics 28 Nude Lipstick Palette. I'm going to put a little bit of Vaseline over that to make it shiny and looking moisturized instead of matte. This is the complete look with the hair and everything, the eyes and the lips and the face makeup. Honestly, I thought this was going south, especially when I was having problems with the eye part. But this came out pretty good and I'm very, very, very satisfied. I'm gonna hurry up and catch the outside light so I can take some pictures, so I can have decent pictures to go up when I do this. If you like the look, let me know in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like, of course, and subscribe down below. Also click the post notification bell to know whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.